Good night, good night. Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, Forex family. Dre, Forex King, coming at you with another video. This is just a quick trading recap for the day. I'm going to get right into it. Again, for those who are new to my videos, again, no thumbnails, no clickbait, no fancy titles, just content to bring you value. So I'm going to get right into it. So, overall day, didn't make a lot of money in terms of trading. Let me just show you what I did real quickly. So two quick scalps, so $13 for the day, right? And you can see where I got in. Two buys, right? Yeah, two quick buys. So I got in here, got out here because I wasn't sure, and then okay, I remember now. So I got in here because I saw that it closed just a hair above this particular candle here, this bullish candle. I was out of money temporarily, but I just held on, fortunately for me. And then no, here I got in, went up, came back down. This kind of got me out of the money, and then this went up a little bit, but again I got out here just because I saw it struggling to get past this double green level, and honestly I just wasn't confident. So I said, you know what, let me get out. Now what I do remember saying in my video earlier today was, seeing this gap right here, whenever the US 30 gaps, it always respects it. It always, the market always recorrects itself. So again, I don't remember if I said it directly, but I mean, no one can predict when the market is going to do anything, right? So I wasn't sure if it was going to be today. I wasn't sure if it was going to be tomorrow, but I was pretty confident that this gap here would have been revisited sooner than later. It just so happened that it was revisited very quickly, like the same day. So like the following day. And as you can see, here's the gap. Here is my second trade, and this is why I got in, because I saw that it was blowing past the gap. So I got in here. I said, all right, perfect. We're looking good. So I actually got in when it was just above the yellow line, which is, as you can see over here, was the bottom half of the gap. Then it pulled back a little bit and then took off. So this trade was actually doing really good. As you can see, it closed just under the green, but it still closed the gap. So I said, all right, this is looking pretty good. And then this this bearish candle, man, this thing shot out like a like a cannonball. It just flew down, and then that's what got this trade here. So I mean, this trade here, I was up close to about $40, and I should have closed it around 20, but I was just a little bit hesitant, and then it went from 20 to 10. I said, no, let me not play. So I closed it quickly and I got out, and I ended it for the day just because I wasn't sure anymore what's going to happen. This last trade I took, I don't know if this time is going to be correct. Does it show me the time? No, this is a different market time. It was close to about 11:30. I said, all right, two quick scalps for the day. Not a bad day at all. And I just closed my laptop and I was done for the day. Overall decision making, okay. Could I have gone this day without trading? Truthfully, yes. The setups weren't the best just because there was just so much noise, so many powerful levels, so many levels that could have led to rejection, that it was it was a very eventful day. None of the trades were very smooth. But, I mean, as you can see, let me see. I got out here, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. This would have gotten close to around the hour 12, midday, 1 o'clock time frame where I would have wanted to get out. And honestly, I don't know if I would have had the mental stamina to run this trade. Now, I'm just being very honest with myself. Hindsight, you would say, oh man, if I was in the market, I would have killed. Yeah, but at the same time, I was already up. I was dealing with this trade. You had this trade stress here. You had this trade stress here. Like, how much trade stress do you really want to incur for the day? My goal is I have simple goals that I want to achieve over the next week, so I need to be very wise and intentional with my endurance. If I burn myself out, I'm not going to be able to maintain. So I have to be smart, stick to my plan, stick to my discipline. So I knew what was going on. So would it have been nice to catch this trade? Of course. Am I mad? Not at all, because I still executed the day well. I was out of the market probably around 11:30 in the morning. Good. Not a problem at all. But I look at the daily and it's just like, I mean, this is the day. I mean, what a major pullback. I mean, most of the day you can see it was going up and then it just dropped. So, truthfully, after seeing this for the day, I would have thought that this candle would have kind of dropped. But you know, the markets are the markets. It had to wanted to revisit this level here, didn't never return back to the double green. This daily may just so happen to drop, just based on what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting honestly a drop tomorrow. I don't know when, I don't know how. I could be wrong, but and then you see that this it ended up being bearish for the day and it closed just so slightly here under this day. I think it was Monday. So there's a high possibility that this market may go down at some point tomorrow. And let's see what we got here. Let's look at what we got here. We have the beginning of a downward trend, right? So this basically cancels out upward trend. You have this now. You have some lower lows. Looking to possibly see a higher, lower high somewhere around here before it drops. But we'll see what type of structure is created tomorrow. But I'm honestly going to be looking for more of a sells, more of a sellish day for the day. But we'll see. But honestly, overall, solid day. Quick trade review. I hope this helps you, but at the same time, I'm really just doing this for me, and I just hope you see value in how I'm running through my trade journey, you know? So that's it. Not going to be a long video because it's 2 o'clock, and obviously I want to get up tomorrow morning to get into the markets. So again, wish you guys well. Hope you have a great night. If you're trading in the Asian session, be careful. Trading during the Europe session, the Euro session, be careful. Other than that, be safe. Follow my IG. Links in the description below. Forex King 1489, my IG. But that's it. I appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow morning. Forex King out.